everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karajgi Orchid School. I am your Vallavi Gaikwad to teach you math subject. So students, as we had seen in previous lesson with the lesson number 3, in previous period we started lesson number 3, okay? What was the lesson number 3? Okay, now we are going to see lesson number 3. In lesson number 3 we saw 3-digit number, okay? In this what we saw, children? Can you tell me? We have started lesson number 3, 3-digit number. Now just a revision we will see here. Now see here, you can see on the screen there are 10 strips make 100 sheet, okay? You can see this, and that is 100, 10 tens means 100, that is 100. Then in down you can see next one, this part we have seen that there are 200 sheets, 3 tens and 5 ones, okay? We have seen this also, and you can write it as 100 tens ones, that is 200, 3 tens and 5 ones, or 235. You can write in this way also. In this way we had studied that 3-digit number. Then in next section we had seen exercise 1. In this exercise 1 we have drawn a 300, that is sheets. 3 sheets we have drawn, then 3 tens and then 3 ones. 3 tens box sticks we have drawn, and then 3 tens individual, 3 ones we have done. Okay, in this we have solved it A, B, C. Then have you done that D, E, F? I had told you to solve. Okay, now this only how to solve in abacus we are going to see. Now see here, you know that a 3-digit number like 100 is actually 100, 0 tens and 0 ones. 100 means how much? 100, 0 tens and 0 ones. Now here is an 100 on an abacus. Now you can see here 100. Now what is this? Hundreds, tens, ones. Then hundreds, how many hundreds? In this way on abacus you have to show that on the bits. How many bits are there? You will count and that you will show. Now see here hundreds. Here how many bits are there? 1 bit, okay? That bits is in hundreds column. Then tens, it is 0, means nothing, bit means 0. Then ones also 0, no bit means 0. So 1, 1, 0, 0. You can see that how 100 is written on abacus, that is 1, 0, 0, 100. Okay, now see next one. Here is 241 on an abacus. Now you want to show 241 on abacus. Now hundreds. In hundreds column, how many bits are there? Come on, count with me, children. Yes, 1, 2. Good. Then in tens column, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4. Then in ones column, 1. Yes. So now 3-digit, 100, tens, ones. We are studying now 3-digit. Before this we have studied 2-digit. In this 2-digit there were only tens and ones. Now in 3-digit we are studying 100, tens, ones. So 2, 4, 1 means that is 241. In this way you should write the abacus number. See here. Now see, in this way you can see here hundreds, tens, ones. This is 1 bit, that is 100, 0 tens and 0 ones. Here nothing means 0. So 1, 0, 0. That is 100. Got it, everyone? See now, next one also I will tell. Now see here, first we have seen 100, that was 1, 0, 0. Now we will see number, hundreds, 2, 1, 2. Come on, count with me. 1, 2. 2 hundreds. It is 2 is in hundreds column. Then tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is in tens column. Okay, then last is ones. So 1 is in ones column. You can see 100, tens, ones. In this 3-digit number, every time there will come hundreds, and every time you are going to count from the hundreds only. You are not going to count from ones. You can't count, it is a wrong method. So whenever your counting is there, hundreds, 2 hundreds, 4 tens and 1 ones. So your number will be 2, 4, 1. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 1 is 1. Got it? Now in this way we are going to solve exercise 2. Now see, write the numeral shown on each abacus, read each number aloud. Now see here, we want to solve the exercise A. 100 tens ones. Whenever you are writing the number in 3-digit number, you should spell 100 tens ones. Okay. Now see here, count here children. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How much it is? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you will write here 4. You should also write with me in your textbook. Okay. Then tens. Now you are going to add tens column. First, every time you are going to count from hundreds columns, not from ones columns. If you will count from ones column, it is wrong. It is wrong method. From hundreds column, you will start to count. Now, tens. 1, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many are there? Come on, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. 9. Then next is 1, 2, 3. Then 3. So, how you will spell this now? 493. In this way you are going to spell the numbers. Okay. Write down this children in your textbook. Come on. Now B1. 100 tens ones. First come on, count with me. 1, 2, 3. Okay. How many hundreds are there? 3 hundreds. 3 hundreds means what? Yes. 3 hundreds means 3 boxes will be there of hundreds. We have seen in previous lesson, and even I have shown you the boxes. Teaching aid, in teaching aid we have seen the boxes of hundreds. Okay, like that 300 means 3 boxes of 100 strips. Then 300, 2 tens and how many is there ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. Then 300, 2 tens and 4 ones. You will count the bits on the abacus and you will write. Finish writing B1? Yes. Now we will see C1. Now see 100 tens ones. Now count this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 4 hundreds. Okay. 4 bits are in hundreds column. Then 3 bits are in tens column. And 3 bits are in ones column. So you will write 433. That is 433. In this way you are going to spell. Come on, say 433. Yes, good. Now next D1. Now next, come on, count here hundreds. In 100 column how many bits are there? Yes, 1 bit is there. In hundreds column 1 bit. In tens column how many bits are there? Come on, count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? 8 are there? No. How many? 9. Come on, count again one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. 9. And in one's column, nothing is there. So what you will write? 0. 190. Okay. In this way you are going to write. How you will spell 190. Then next. Hundreds column. How many bits are in hundreds column? 2. 1, 2. Then in tens column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens. Then ones column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. Okay. Then 2. Tens column, 6. And ones column, 7. Write down in your textbook. Yes, finish everyone. In this way you will practice it. Every time you practice at home, do it more and more practice so that you will be perfect. Okay, finish everyone. Now turn the page number 38. Okay, now next page number. Now we have studied 100, tens, ones. Now fill in the blanks. Now what you are going to do here? See here, 100, 2 tens and 3 ones. Now 100 is there. Then how you will write that? 100 plus 20 plus 3 means 100, 2 tens means 20. See here, 100, 2 tens and 3 ones. So 100 plus 20 plus 3 means 100 plus 2 tens plus 3 ones is equals to 123. So first one they have shown us. Now we will see to second. See here, 2 hundreds, 3 tens and 7 ones. So what will come here? 200 plus 30 plus 7 means 200 plus 3 tens plus 7 ones. So what you will write here? 237. Come on children, write with me. Finish B1. Now C1. Now who will tell? 4 hundreds, 6 tens and 2 ones. How you will write this now? 4 hundreds plus 6 tens and 2 ones. Yes, good. 4 means 400 plus 6 tens means 60 plus 2 ones. Is it correct children? Yes. Now see next D1. Come on, write with me. D1, 300 plus 70 tens plus 9 ones means 379. In this way you will write 500 plus 10 plus 4 ones. So 514. 5 hundreds, 110 and 4 ones. That is 500 plus 10 plus 4. That is 514. Then 600 plus 5 tens plus 0 ones. Now here 0 ones is there. Okay. And what you will do now here? 0 ones means 0. So 650. How you will spell? 6 hundreds, 5 tens and 0 ones. Take down fast. Write down, children, with me. Then G1, 7 hundreds, 8 tens and 2 ones. 700, 8 tens plus 2 ones, that is 782. 782. Come on, write down this, all children. See, again one more time I will tell. 100, 2 tens and 3 ones, that is 100 plus 20 plus 3, that is 123. Then B1, 2 hundreds, 3 tens and 7 ones, that is 200 plus 30 plus 7, that is 237. Then C1, 400, 6 tens and 2 ones, that is 400, 400 plus 60 plus 2, that is 462. Then 300s, 7 tens and 9 ones, that is 300 plus 70 plus 9, that is 379. 379. Then E1, 500s, 110 and 4 ones, that is 500 plus 10 plus 4, that is 514. 514. Then F1, 600s, 5 tens and 0 ones. So 600, that is 600 plus 50, that is 50 plus 0. Here now there is 0 ones, so nothing you will do. 0 ones plus, that is 650. Then 700, 8 tens and 2 ones. So 700 plus 80 plus 2, that is 782. Written, children? Now next. Till G we have completed. Now from H we will see. 700, 882. Now see H1. Now see H1. 800, 0 tens and 3 ones. Now 800. 100 plus 0 tens. 0 tens means 2 zeros plus 3. So 803. 700 plus 80 plus 2. 782. Then second, 800s plus 7 tens plus 4. 874. Then 900s plus 7 tens plus 0. 970. sorry, 900, 7 tens, it is 6, sorry, 6 here, it will come 376. Then 700 plus 0 0 plus 0, that is 700. Then next 500 plus 6 tens plus 7 ones. 5, 6, 7. Okay, we will repeat up again one more time, children. Now see, 7 hundreds, 8 tens and 2 ones. Come on, say 700 plus 80 plus 2, that is 782. Then next 800s, 0 tens and 3 ones. Now see here, you may say now your number is not there. What to do? How to do? So if it is not anything number, that will come 0. Then 800 plus, now 0 tens. 0 tens means nothing. So you will write 2 zeros. 1 0 2 0 plus 3. That is 803. Then 800, 7 tens and 4 ones. So 800 plus 70 plus 4, that is 874. Then 900, 7 tens and 6 ones. So 900 plus 70 plus 6, that is 976. Then 700s, 0 tens and 0 ones. Now you will see here tens also 0 and ones also 0. Only hundreds they have given, 700. So you will write 700 plus 0 0 plus 0, that is 700. Because there is no any number, no tens, no ones. Only they have given 0 tens, 0 ones. 0 tens means nothing, 0 ones means nothing. Now next 500, 6 tens and 7 ones, that is 500 plus 60 plus 7, that is 567. Write down fast, children, what we have studied today on abacus, how we are going to do counting in 100 tens ones. We have seen on the abacus 100 tens ones. On the abacus we have counted the bits and we have written in this way also, and in second way in this fill in the blanks we have completed. So today we have completed exercise 2 and 3. So you just go through that and see how it is done and do practice. Okay, thank you, children.